Shameful.
You've spoken today. I think you've come out for the first time in 19 years. What gave you the strength to come out today?
आज मैं देखता हूं कि हिंदुस्तान की जनता वो मेरे साथ है, वो देख रहे हैं कि ये गलत हुआ है ये.
Of course.
गिव मी कर्जेस, बट इससे पहले तो मैं नहीं कहा सकता था क्योंकि ये तो मुझे मरवा डालता.
What would you like to say today, sir, to all these politicians who have supported him? What would you like to say today when you stand, when really the whole of India is behind you today?
बिल्कुल, जिन लोगों ने इस फाइल को दबाया है, जब क्रिमिनल एक्शन आर सिंह then डीजीपी ने रिकमेंड किया है
जी
कि क्रिमिनल एफआईआर शुड बी लॉन्च, व्हाई दिस हैज बीन नॉट लॉन्च? हु आर द रिस्पांसिबल पर्सन? The movements of file, who put hindrances for delivery of justice?
Exactly.
Who put hindrances? एक बच्चे को जस्टिस नहीं दिलाया जा रहा, और बच्चे और जब बच्चा मर जाता है ये भी फाइल पर नोटिंग है कि अब तो मर चुकी है, अब छोड़ो फाइल को निकालो, ये भी नोटिंग है फाइल, अब स्टडी करिए जाकर, अब तो मर गई, अब कोई परवाह नहीं.
No, it's true, because not just him, it's all the politicians who supported him, all the officials who supported him who must be
Mr.
punished.
R.K. Duggal, होम सेक्रेटरी का आपने पढ़ा नहीं?
जी.
He has spoken on the television. He was asked कि क्यों नहीं हुई थी लॉन्च, बताइए आप. होम सेक्रेटरी से पूछा गया है, होम सेक्रेटरी बोलते हैं जी मेरे पे पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर था. अब who are the political bosses? You have to find out.
Of course.
Who are his political bosses?
Yes.
You must find out and ask them.
No, I agree. The media must investigate who actually let him get in.
आपने कैसे hindrances put up की?
As you see today, sir, so many messages have come in of support. So many people of India have come out to support you.
हाँ जी.
What would you like to say? What for you will really make a difference today? What do you want to see? What would you tell the people who are supporting you today?
That in future कोई ऐसा किसी बच्चे के साथ नहीं हो जो मेरे बच्चे के साथ. मैंने तो भुगत लिया, मेरा बच्चा तो गया.
So just to say again how sorry we are, and we'll thank you once again for joining us.
भाई को हरास किया गया, ऐसे होता है. वही बच्चा था, बताइए. So कैरियर तबाह कर दिया बच्चे का. He was preparing, he was preparing कि मैं बीए करके मैं आईएएस में बैठूंगा मैं. He was such a brilliant child, convent educated, सेंट जॉर्ज स्कूल का पढ़ा हुआ, चंडीगढ़ का सबसे बेस्ट स्कूल है.
No, your whole family's lives have been ruined by this.
I have been rooting from the house. मेरे सन की जिंदगी खराब हो गई, उसे कैरियर तबाह कर दिया गया
जी.
और लड़की तो चली गई. इन चीजों की कहां भरपाई होगी बताइए मेरे को मैडम.
No, sir. I think the only thing is that justice has to be done in this
case. Justice has to be done,
and I think that is what everyone will try to ensure that justice will be done. Thank you for joining us, sir. What such a difficult time for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
A grieving father there saying the only thing that can bring him some solace is the case being reopened, and not just SS Rathore, but all the people who are involved in helping him hide his crime must be punished. We'll take a short break now, but we'll be joined by more people on whether public pressure can actually change the outcome of this case after this.